Hello everyone, Barry Anderson for Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So this is an interesting one. AMAM, okay, AMAM. Look at the pre-market action on this one. This one got up to almost $21, okay? Had some news. News looked really good, right? That's what the market thought anyway at the beginning. And you know, the market hadn't opened yet. This is still 9:15 candles, still look pretty good. Market opens and look at the action straight down. Remember now, this hit $21 in the pre-market, and this got all the way down to $8.20 before it finally popped up a little bit. Just goes to show, you know, you can see news and you can try to figure out, well, do I think that news is good or bad? And again, at the beginning, this looked like very good news for this company, but the market just didn't give a rip about it, and look what happened. And so I know people can get very seduced by the news and don't understand, how can this happen when the news looked pretty good? Well, it doesn't really matter what you think. The market is telling you really what it's all about. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.